Hello everybody, welcome to another Breakaway SC eBay box break. Today we will be doing the 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 eBay single box break number 10. And just quickly, as mentioned in the auction description, this break was posted prior to the release date, November the 5th, and we didn't have Series 1 in hand at the time. Usually we provide the serial number, but instead we're going to pull a box out of a fresh case right here. First thing I want to do is just quickly plug our website. Check it out. It's breakawaysc.com. We do hockey group breaks 7 nights a week. And if you want to check it out, breakawaysc.com. You can see our upcoming breaks right here. So we got one on Monday night, 15-16 Artifacts, 15-16 Series 1 random case break, 5-box mixer of different Series 1 years. Lots of stuff. 7 nights a week. We got great giveaways. And we do have 15-16 Series 1 boxes and cases available on our website for sale as well. Again, breakawaysc.com. All right, so we're just going to quickly show you that this auction has ended. As always, Winnipeg Jets, the last team posted. Series 1 box break number 10. And this ended Sunday night, November 8th at 7:29 Eastern. To show you that this case is sealed. Good luck. Just going to grab the box closest to me. Change this camera angle. All right, here we go. 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 eBay single box break number 10. Good luck, everybody. Canvas for Detroit, Henrik Zetterberg. Case. Young Guns for Boston, Malcolm Subban. All base. Shining Stars for Tampa Bay, Steven Stamkos. Portraits for Columbus, Ryan Johansson. Young Guns for the Islanders, Jean-Francois Berube. Canvas for New Jersey, Mike Camilleri. Young Guns for Winnipeg, Andrew Kopp. Base. Shining Stars for Nashville, Philip Forsberg. Portraits for Montreal, Carey Price. Young Guns for Colorado, Mikko Rantanen. Canvas for Arizona, Mike Smith. Game used jersey for the Rangers, Rick Nash. Young Guns for Pittsburgh, Daniel Sprong. Portraits for Montreal, Guy Lafleur. Shining Stars for St. Louis, Vladimir Tarasenko. Canvas for Toronto, Morgan Riley. Shining Stars for Nashville, Philip Forsberg. All base. Young Guns for Chicago, Artemi Panarin. Portraits for Detroit, Henrik Zetterberg. Last pack. All base. And there we go. 15-16 Upper Deck Series 1 eBay single box break. Number 10 in the books. The website breakawaysc.com. Live hockey group breaks 7 nights a week directly through our website. And as always, more eBay box breaks up on the Bay every night of the week. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care.